we are discussing about fourth house in astrology. So first of all, let's discuss about what is fourth house and what fourth house represent. Fourth house represent your comfort, your home, physical home where you live is seen from fourth house. Your properties, all the properties you have, like your home, if you have more than one home or more than one property, these all properties are seen from fourth house. Your factories, your industries, all the properties you have, your land, all the lands you have as your assets is seen from fourth house. Secondly, your comfort and your happiness. Fourth house represent comfort because fourth house is also deal with your mother. Your mother and your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house. So first comfort we get in our life is our mother. That's why fourth house represent your mother. So all the conveniences like your table, your chair, your